Hi friends, today I am going to talk on 5 Bollywood movies which will get some key finance lessons and apply them practically in your life. First movie I am going to talk about is Bhagwan movie. This 2003 movie is a prime example of lack of future planning for your golden years. This movie shows how two hardworking parents, Raj and Pooja Malhotra, who support their 4 children, sacrificing their income to educate them and support and set up their businesses. Parents assume that their children will be supporting them in their old age, and therefore they didn't plan for any retirement. Both worked their entire life for their children. It is not surprising that Raj gives away his lifelong earnings from Provident Fund as well as gratuity to his sons, but life had other plans for Raj and Pooja. A practical and emotional story but teaches a good finance lesson. Lesson learned from this movie is everyone should always have a plan for their retirement instead of relying on their children. Never assume you will gain financial freedom at retirement unless you act on today. Second movie I'm going to talk about is the movie Corporate. Corporate, released in 2006, is a must-see movie about the world of finance. This movie shows the power games between two big industrialists and how Nishigandha, an ambitious female, makes it huge in the business world. This movie shows the dark side of the business world where powerful men do anything to remain on the top. This movie shows how the employees do to cope with the professional issues. You will get to know how the corporate world works and also get to see the ethics and culture of the workplace. Lesson learned from this movie is you have to make your own path in the business world as each one is there to bypass you. So be truthful and stand for your own dignity. Third movie I am going to talk about is Tara Ram Pam Pam. Tara Ram Pam Pam is an example of investment planning, avoiding unwanted expenses, budgeting and not preparing for the unexpected emergencies. This movie shows how the rich race driver by the name of RV has no control over his expenses and spends money like anything. He becomes penniless where he loses his job and he's barely to feed his family. Still his family supports him with a smile. Then he realizes the importance of savings and investing. Lesson learned from this movie is invest money continuously with a contingency fund which can cover your emergency needs and the future uncertainties. Whenever in need, your family becomes your pillar, your source of strength and a powerhouse of hope and love. This movie shows that if you follow your passion, your miracles are bound to happen. But have a financial plan for your family. Fourth movie I'm going to talk about is Bazaar. This is a thriller Indian stock market movie which shows the power of money, control and stock market. In this movie, Rizwan, an educated boy from Allahabad who has high dreams, comes to Mumbai and meet Sakun Kothari, who is from Surat, who has become the darling boy of the Indian stock market. How Rizwan makes his presence in Mumbai, what maths he learns from the Sakun Kothari about the stock market is the main crux of this film. Two lessons learned from this movie is, first is don't blindly follow the big market names. Everyone wants to copy someone. Follow the leader and his style. You can copy someone and pass, but you can never gain knowledge. In this movie, Rizwan wants to do his homework by researching thoroughly and it makes sense to create on your own strategy and path, as you will never know the strategy of the market leaders. Second lesson learned from this movie is check the facts and don't rely on rumors. It is necessary to do your own research. Check the facts and don't react to market panic. In this movie, Rizwan hears about the news about the local company is going to have a tie-up with a foreign company. But Rizwan wants to know if it is actually true because he does not rely on rumors. Then he gets to know from his colleague that this news is true, so he buys huge chunk of shares of the local company on behalf of Sakun Kothari. And once the news is out, Sakun makes a huge killing and makes a huge profit from that stock. Last and the recent movie released in 2021 is The Big Bull. The Big Bull. This movie shows the life and times of Hemant Shah, a small stockbroker who finds the loopholes in the Indian banking system. He takes advantage of that and creates massive bull run on the Indian stock exchange. This is a rags to riches story, and this shows how Hemant's dream run had ended in a nightmare. Here, two lessons learned from this movie are: first is don't borrow money to invest in the market. In this movie, Hemant used fake BR, that is bank receipts of 2 crores with his friend's help, and he invested in the market after seeing the loophole in the Indian banking system. Anything can happen in the market, and the market doesn't know that you have deployed some emergency funds. It takes back your money at a snap. If your trade goes wrong, so don't commit such mistakes. Second is managing the risk. Managing the risk is very very important. In this movie, Hemant's 2 most famous dialogues are, "जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, what is visible it will sell." Second dialogue is, "रिस्क लेना है तो बड़ा लो, if you want to take a risk, take a bigger risk." All these dialogues look good only on the screen, but when it comes to actual life trading, whoever takes more risk will lose the capital. So risk management strategy is very very important in the market. But one positive takeaway from this film which I like is a scene where Hemant do interaction with the lift operator. He says, if you want to buy a vehicle, invest in the tires first. अगर आपको कुछ बड़ा करना है, थोड़े से शुरुआत करिए, and once you master the whole vehicle is yours, and you never stop learning. So these are the 5 Bollywood movies which gives you insights about the finances, and you must see these movies. It will surely make your everlasting impact, and don't just watch these movies casually. See it from other angle, what you learned from these movies based on finances. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel and for more investing videos, and also join Facebook group and Telegram group given in the link below. See you in my next video. Bye.